If you're seeing Steam Error Code E87, that usually points to a login or session issue, and in most cases it's caused by a cache or sync problem rather than anything permanent. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into Steam as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. The first thing to try is the simplest fix. Log out of Steam completely, then log back in. Sometimes your session just needs to refresh, and signing out forces Steam to create a new connection to your account. So open Steam, click Steam in the top left, choose change account or sign out, then close the app fully and sign back in with your username and password. If the error still appears, the next step is to restart Steam entirely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it's closed, then reopen it and try again. This clears out temporary glitches that can happen during a failed login attempt. If you're still getting error code E87, we'll move on to a more effective reset. Fully exit Steam again, and this time press the Windows key and R together to open the run box. In the field, type steam://flushconfig and press enter. This command clears Steam's local configuration cache and can fix broken session data that's preventing you from logging in properly. After you run it, reopen Steam and sign in again. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem. If you still see the error, there's one more important thing to check: your system date and time. Steam relies on accurate time settings to verify sessions and secure your login. If your clock is out of sync, Steam can reject the connection and show errors like E87. To fix that, right-click the time in the bottom right corner of Windows, open date and time settings, and make sure set time automatically is turned on. You can also click sync now to force your PC to match the correct time server. After that, restart Steam one more time and test your login again. In most cases, one of these steps will clear Steam error code E87 and restore normal access. If it's still not working, the issue may be temporary on Steam's side or tied to your network, but these are the first fixes you should always try, because they solve the most common session and cache problems. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and comment below if you want me to cover more Steam error fixes in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.